if you follow the scriptures, our Upanishads, right, and the Vedas, they teach us to be minimal in our approach. You can think big, but you don't need to spend big or invest big, right?
Mhm.
You can have small needs.
Mhm.
The more minimum your needs are,
Mhm.
the less weight on your mind.
Mhm.
And the less weight on your mind, the more it can do.
Mhm.
So, luxuries are also all in the mind.
Correct.
Luxuries, big TV, how much bigger can the TV get? 32, 40, 45, 55, 90, what next?
Mhm.
Right? How big can a car get?
Mhm.
You can have a hatchback, you can have a sedan, you can have a luxury sedan, you can have a Mercedes, you can have a Mercedes SUV. How far can you go?
Uh,
Right?
mhm.
And then it brings the feeling of envy, of comparison. And not only
Mhm.
do you become a prisoner of it yourself,
Mhm.
your children, your wife, right? Your colleagues all become a prisoner. अरे उसके बॉस के पास Mercedes M540 है, आपके पास कौन सी है? How does it matter?
Correct.
So that's another aspect which I like to follow. For example, I don't own a car at all. Why do I need a car?
Mhm.
Right? There is Uber, there is Ola. आप बोलोगे लॉकडाउन, तो लॉकडाउन में तो बिल्कुल ही जरूरी नहीं है, घर के अंदर रहो.
Uh,
This week, for the first time in the last 130 days, I went out of home 4 times. 4 times in 7 days. But before that, 130 days, I haven't gone out of my building. We had a shoot for one of our product launches, and I was beginning to look very long ahead. So I thought that since I was to anyway also shoot with you today, I should not look indisciplined or ungroomed. It will not be a good reflection either on me or my company. So I went for a haircut yesterday.
Yeah.
So that's why 3 or 4 times in the last 1 week. Otherwise, so that's life. You should practice what you preach.
Yes.
And since normally, they like to end every interview on a humorous note or on a different note, if you permit, I would like to end this interview with a sort of a couplet or a stanza, if you permit.
Please, go on, please.
This is actually a sort of a Sufi philosophy,
Okay.
which I have adapted and modified. Right?
Yeah.
So it says very simply, जितना दिया मेरे मौला ने, उतनी मेरी औकात नहीं. मेहर है मेरे माँ बाप की, वरना मुझमें कोई बात नहीं. Right? जितना दिया मेरे मौला ने, उतनी मेरी औकात नहीं. ये मेहर है मेरे माँ बाप की, वरना मुझमें कोई बात नहीं. So this philosophy, it's a Sufi philosophy.
Yeah.
And I'm very lucky that when I got married, my wife also, subscribes to this philosophy.
Okay.
And that has been a big support. So this has helped me, and the continuous feedback. You see, the parents bring you up.
Correct.
Your wives either bring you further up or they bring you down. My wife has ensured by giving proper feedback and by her belief in this Sufi philosophy that we stay grounded. And if we stay grounded, right, that's what keeps us in a situation, it keeps us in a mindset where we are able to receive more inputs, more knowledge, more growth, and contribute to the well-being, to the happiness, the success of our people. That essentially is what God made leaders for, not for anything else. And on that note, I think it's a good time to end this conversation.